Let's take a walk on the boardwalk to find out what's new here in Myrtle Beach, what they put on the boardwalk. It's a cloudy day, but you'll get the idea.
So what is it now? Selfie places?
They said selfie places. They said selfie spots, so we'll see.
Today's not a good hair day.
It's very cloudy, very humid. Might rain on us, we hope not. Seems like every time we start filming out here in Myrtle Beach, it's raining this year. Still,
drop it like it's hot.
Right. It's still early.
Hey, at least they're still parasailing out there. Look.
Here's one right here.
Oh, wow, cool. And here's the very first one, a sandcastle with a cool octopus right in the middle.
So this one's located right in front of Moon's here on the boardwalk. Right there. They said there's several of them. I know of two, so we'll see if there's any more.
Oh, look, here's the ghost crab that you got on Bird Island.
Sure did. All right, let's venture down and see what else they have. Boardwalk beachwear right here, right beside the famous Gay Dolphin Gift Cove. So it looks like they've made these boards all the way down, the new ones, the new planks. I think it goes all the way down to 8th Avenue, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
There's Hurricanes. So here's another one with some locals. Let's see, this one is located right in front of Hurricanes. Daiquiri Bar and Grill. So it doesn't look like that many people, but because it's about 11:30, right? What time is it?
Yeah.
About 11:30?
And it's near into the summer, end of the summer.
End of summer, yeah.
Getting close to the end of summer.
All right. Now it took me a while to figure out what these were.
The X's?
Well, I heard from big time Myrtle Beach that they're flags, and after investigating, I said, that is true. So thank you big time for that.
Mike would love that, wouldn't he? Look at that ice cream sandwich.
Heck yeah. There's Dirty Don's, Oyster Bar and Grill.
all this room and you got to hit my head.
So the sun's trying to come out, but it's still very humid here. And there's still lots of people out on the beach. And the last time we were here, this is as far as they've gotten. Right here at the volleyball court. But now look. Right.
Also, there's a new asset that they added to the Myrtle Beach downtown area to keep you safe on the sidewalks.
Right, those barriers?
Yes.
Those railings. So they got these flags right up under these flags. Looks like they're doing a little restoration. Oh, I see where it's eroding the the ground.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to fix a little bit of this volleyball court. See where it's eroding from the rain? It had a lot of rain this weekend, or this past week. Can you see some better right here?
Oh yeah, nice.
Okay, seems like they still have a little bit of ways to go here. Not a lot. There's your old boardwalk and your new boardwalk. And we'll take this down as far as it goes, see if it goes past 8th Avenue. So that might be the only part that's left.
Looks like it.
Huh.
And they're also doing the new rails too, and the
A new, is this new?
spigots. Look, yes sir. Because look at that to this.
Ah, yeah. So that is new railing.
Nice.
Here's your old railing.
Fancy like.
Yeah, there's some new handrails coming down the steps right here. All right. So we're right here at 8th Avenue, and pretty much this is where we're going to end our little boardwalk trip to show you what's new.
I thought we were going to catch them on the other side, showing the rails for the sidewalks.
We can.
You want to walk up there
Yeah,
real fast?
we're going to catch you on the other side up there.
Fancy like. Very nice and safe.
Okay, so we stepped off the boardwalk and came up here to the boulevard to show you the new railings that they're putting up. They're installing all the way down. Not sure how far.
Zoom in on the dolphins.
Yeah, let's see. There's some dolphins between each one. And these are supposed to be waves. And it's going down pretty far. That way, that's 7th Avenue. You can see them across the street there.
I think they're going to take them all the way down.
All the way. I think I heard 16th Avenue, I'm not sure. Well, that's what's new so far down here in Myrtle Beach with the boulevard and the boardwalk. Make sure you like and subscribe for more beach information. And as always, keep beaching.